Experience the future of audio with the Tecno Sonic 1. It's designed for optimized performance and it delivers a richly immersive audio experience, allowing you to enjoy a magical live performance vibe wherever you go. So this right here is the Tecno Sonic 1, and this is a part of the Tecno IoT range. With this device, you have a unique auditory experience. You can take a real-time test through the AdPub app to optimize your hearing profile and create personalized audio mixes that enhance your listening journey like never before. You can take crystal clear calls with the Tecno Sonic 1 thanks to its advanced dual microphone noise cancellation. So there's 4 microphones, 2 on each of the earbuds, and this enhances your voice clarity while effectively reducing background noise for uninterrupted conversations. So the Tecno Sonic 1s also make life easy thanks to its auto pairing. So all you have to do is open the lid of the device and it automatically pairs to whichever previous devices that it's connected to. The Tecno Sonic 1s also support dual connectivity and universal compatibility. So it can connect to 2 devices simultaneously and is universally compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, basically any device that has Bluetooth. And its dual connectivity system can allow you to switch seamlessly between devices with a single tap. So it allows you to be flexible and have the convenience. So what do you get out the box? Out the box, you firstly come up with the manuals and a fridge magnet for the device. Underneath that, you have the Tecno Sonic 1 in the case with the earbuds. And then underneath that, we have a box with a charging cable, and then on the other side we have the replacement ear tips for different sizes. Now, when it comes to the design, starting with the case itself, right? So the case itself has a rather nice glass. The top plastic is like a frosted finish, and underneath that we have our 2 earbuds. The case itself is charged by USB Type-C, and something I find really cool is that the lid of the device isn't a straight lid, it's a little bit of an angle. And what that allows it to do is when you pop the device or when you open it and you leave it on the table, it sort of creates a kickstand for the case and for the earbuds inside. So when it comes to the design of these devices, the Tecno Sonic 1s feature an innovative in-ear, half-in-ear free switch design, meticulously crafted for ergonomic comfort and secure fit. Additionally, something cool with this device is that the ear tips are not those regular squash-in sort of ear tips. They are actually magnetically held into the earbud, allowing a more secure feel so that it doesn't come off. It is very comfortable, lightweight, and the Sonic 1s boast an IPX5 rating for water, sweat, and dust resistance, making it resilient for various situations. Now, when it comes to the connectivity of the device, this is running Bluetooth 5.3, right? And like how I mentioned, the way that you charge the case is Type-C at the bottom. When it comes to the weight of the device, each earbud weighs about 4.65 kilograms. So speaking about charging, the case offers you 50 hours worth of usage, 6.5 hours for each earbud, and 43.5 hours for the case itself. The case boasts an 800 milliamp hour battery, which allows the 43.5 hours worth of capacity. Each earbud features a 45 milliamp hour battery for obviously the earbud. So the microphones of each earbud, you have one at the top here, at the top of the stem, and then another at the bottom of the stem for your dual microphone setup. Now, we're done with the specs. Let's get down to an audio test. All right, so I'm gonna just put this into my ear. It has already prepared with the device and I have audio playing. So in terms of the controls, you can tap twice to answer and end calls and play and pause your music, previous and next songs, as well as you can enable the voice assistant. So you can swipe up and down the bud to increase and decrease your volume, as well as a long press will enable and disable noise cancellation, as well as it can be used for rejecting phone calls. So when it comes to the experience, right, the half in-ear design is something very different, because you're having your music playing in your ear and it actually sounds absolutely amazing. And because, so now you have audio playing from here, right? If you can see that, you have audio playing from there, and as well as you have audio playing from here. So it's a very different experience. When it comes to the bass and treble, it is absolutely spot on. There's no misses, there's nothing that we should be complaining about. So the audio test is 100% pass. And I mean, if you make use of the app, you can then better adjust the audio as to your experience or your preferences. So these are a really cool set of earbuds to pair with any of your Tecno phones, whether it's the Spark 20 Pro, whether it's the Spark 2024. It's a really cool pair of earbuds, and I think this is suited for anyone because it's an awesome set of earbuds that gives you an amazing experience, and it's basically for anyone that wants an awesome audio experience. And this is not breaking the bank. So speaking of breaking the bank, how much do they retail for? The Sonic ones retail for 700 Rand, and they are available on Takealot in a black as well as a white color as well. So yeah, I mean, these earbuds were gifted to me from Tecno South Africa at the Spark 20 series launch back in May, right? And I haven't gotten around to them, to reviewing them. So I'm really glad that I've done that. It's just disappointing that I'm going to be giving these away and I'm not going to be able to experience this much longer. So that means if you want to stand a chance of winning your very own Tecno Sonic ones, go ahead, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter, and you can find out how you can stand a chance of winning one of your very own Tecno Sonic ones. But in terms of the device is an amazing device. It's up to date in terms of Type-C charging. I mean, even if you look at this case, right, it's not something that's conspicuous, it's not something that's huge. It's so small form factor, yet it delivers such a punch in terms of the audio experience, in terms of its compatibility, its connectivity. And I mean, the ingenuity that was used to build this device in terms of the comfort, the half in-ear, half design, and the dual mics and stuff. Tecno is doing things, and I'm not saying that because they gifted this to me. It's something very different that we're not really used to seeing. I mean, where have you ever seen magnetic tips on earbuds? If I had to rate this device, it's such a bomb that I'm gonna rate this an 8.2 out of 10. All right. Yeah, so a big shout out to Tecno South Africa for gifting this to me, and it's just unfortunate that I'm going to be gifting it as well. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, you can let me know by giving me a like rating if you did. If you have any thoughts about the Tecno Sonic ones, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. As always, all the thoughts and opinions expressed in this review are of me and of techsceneza and have not been paid or influenced in any way, shape or form. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Preshaan and I will catch you in the next video.